If YouTube distracts you with endless recommendations, comments, shorts, and suggested videos, this tutorial is going to help you take control of your screen fast. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Unhook Chrome extension step by step, how to install it, how to turn it on and off, and how to customize the settings so YouTube becomes cleaner, simpler, and a lot more focused. If this kind of tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu, then hover over Extensions. From there, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This takes you straight to the Chrome Web Store, where you can search for the extension you need. In the search bar, type Unhook. Look for Unhook Remove YouTube and click on it. On the extension page, you'll see the main install button. Click Add to Chrome. Chrome may ask you to confirm the permissions the extension needs, so review that prompt and then click Add Extension. Once the installation finishes, Unhook is ready to use. Now open YouTube in a browser tab. If you don't see the Unhook icon right away, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of Chrome. That opens your extensions list. Find Unhook in the list and click it to open the menu. If you want easier access later, you can also click the pin icon next to Unhook so it stays visible on your toolbar all the time. That makes it much faster to turn features on and off whenever you need them. Once the Unhook menu opens, the first thing you'll notice is the large power button at the top. This main toggle lets you instantly enable or disable all of your hidden settings at once. So if you want to quickly compare the normal YouTube layout with the cleaned up version, just use that power button. When it's on, your filters are active. When it's off, everything goes back to normal. Now let's go through the customization options. Unhook works by giving you a list of toggle switches, and each switch controls a different part of the YouTube interface. If a switch is turned on, that element gets hidden. If it's turned off, the element stays visible. One of the most useful options is Hide Homepage Feed. This removes the distracting home feed and replaces it with a cleaner, more focused page, so you're not constantly pulled into random videos before you even search for something. Another powerful option is Hide Sidebar or Related Videos. This removes the recommended video column on the right side when you're watching a video, which is great if you want to stay focused on the current video instead of getting sidetracked by suggestions. You can also turn on Hide Comments if you want to completely block the comment section below the video. That's especially helpful if you want a distraction-free viewing experience and don't want to be tempted to scroll through replies. If shorts are a problem for you, Unhook can help with that too. Turn on Hide Shorts to block the Shorts tab from your sidebar navigation and other main screens, so you're less likely to fall into a short-form content loop. You can even disable feed-based areas like subscriptions or trending if you want to reduce algorithmic browsing and keep YouTube more intentional. The great thing about Unhook is that you can mix and match these settings depending on your workflow. For example, if you only want to remove comments and related videos, you can leave everything else visible. Or if you want a fully minimal YouTube experience, you can turn on multiple filters at once and clean up nearly the entire interface. As you test each switch, you'll immediately see how much calmer the page becomes. That makes it easy to build a setup that works for studying, research, work, or just browsing without distractions. And if you ever want to reverse the changes, just go back to the Unhook menu and switch the options off. The changes are flexible, fast, and easy to control. So, that's how to install Unhook. Open it from Chrome, pin it for quick access, use the main power toggle, and customize the filters to hide feeds, comments, shorts, sidebar suggestions, and more. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other Chrome extensions you want to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.